Welcome back. Now we'll see uniform size of the table space, and then we'll see the status of the table spaces, like how to make a table space offline, online, read only and read write. So first we'll see the uniform size of a table space. Now what is uniform size? When you create any locally managed table space, you have two options for managing the extent sizes. You can let the database automatically choose the extent size, or you can specify that the table space be managed with uniform sized extents with the uniform option. So here is a query. Now here I can see that my table space udata, the initial extent of udata will be 64K, and here there is a null value of the extent, next extent. So here I did not specify any uniform size while creating a table space. So this value will be decided by Oracle itself when the first extent will get filled. So now what would be the next extent value? That will be decided by Oracle itself. Now if I want that in my table space the initial extent should be 2m and the next extent also should be 2m, and every extent should be allocated of 2m, then I need to use uniform size clause. So here is example of creating a table space with uniform size. So this is my script where I have created a table space name new data and data file u01 app oracle aura data focus new data 01.dbs, and the size of this data file will be 30m, and here I am specifying uniform size 2m. So my initial extent of this table space new data will be, the first initial extent will be the 2m, and the next also it will be 2m. So here I am going to run the query. Now my table space is created, and again if I fire the same query, and here I need to mention where my table space name in udata and the new table space, that is new data. Now here my first table space, that is udata, it has having initial extent is 64K and the next extent there is a null value, and here is my new data table space. The initial extent will be allocated of 2m size, and the second or next extent also will be allocated of 2m size. So in this way we can specify the uniform size, or we can specify the extent size of the table space.